Welcome to our TruPoint 300 in Mobile Excel training video. Working with a custom form in Mobile Excel, a pole can quickly be inventoried with accurate results. Today, we'll be capturing the data for several attachment points as well as values for span and sag. To get started, set the TruPoint 300 to Bluetooth Excel mode and choose what to do with the cursor after data comes through. On the device, find the TruPoint 300 and connect to it. Confirm connection on the TruPoint 300 by the Bluetooth indicator turning blue. Open up your form in Excel and insert an image of the pole for reference. If a location of the pole is required, this information can be extracted from the image. On the laser, start the height tracking routine and take the first shot to the base of the pole. The built-in camera is used for aiming outdoors. Move up the pole and aim to the very top. Press the fire button to take the measurement. And see the height value displayed on the laser. Place the cursor in the appropriate cell on the form. Press the transfer button to download the data to the device. Confirm the height value comes through to the proper cell in the form and that the cursor is ready for the next shot. Press the C key to back up a step and measure a new angle. The values will clear out, leaving the shot to the base intact. Activate the camera and aim to your next attachment point on the pole. Press fire to calculate the new height value and then press the transfer button again to send the data. Confirm the data has come through and advance to the next cell. Press the C button again and continue measuring heights to all the required points on the pole. LTI's TruPoint 300 is capable of making all your ready engineering measurements, such as the span, sag, and clearance between poles. The span to adjacent poles is easily measured with a basic distance routine. While you're at the pole reading a tag number, hold the laser against it and fire at the next one. Press transfer to send the span to the form. To measure the sag of a line, start the height profile routine. Aim at the attachment point of the line and press fire on the laser. Then aim at the low point in the wire and press fire. Press transfer to send the sag value to the form. Data for each pole is automatically saved and can be delivered over the mobile network. LTI's TruPoint 300 pole audit system for accurate, cost-effective pole inventory activities.